This is JF-17 Block 3, Pakistan's Sky Predator. Built under pressure, not privilege. While others import pride, Pakistan engineered it. ASA radar. Stealth finish. Helmet display. Pilot and jet, one heartbeat. It doesn't scream for attention. It earns it at Mach 1.6. Every sensor tuned. Every missile locked. That green flag on its tail, not decoration, and it's a warning. From cameras, runways to border skies, Block 3 watches. Silent, patient, lethal. You won't see it coming. You'll only hear the afterburn fade, and then nothing. JF-17 Block 3. Pakistan doesn't chase airspace. It owns it.